we're trying to figure out if country A sent at least 10 representatives. So we're trying to figure out if country A is greater than or equal to 10. I'm letting A represent country A. So if you look at clue 1, it says one of the 6 countries sent 41 representatives. So one country sent 41. Well, so what? All that tells us is there's 75 minus 41, there's 34 more representatives out there. So that doesn't help me. It doesn't tell me anything about country A. Now, forget clue 1, and clue 2 says A sent fewer than 12. A is less than 12. Well, that could be 11, 10, 9, 8. So, yeah, A might be greater than 10. It could be 11, or it might be less than. So that doesn't work. And if you put both clues together, one country sent 41, so what? A sent less than 12. One country sent 41, so that's 34 left over, and A sent less than 12. That just doesn't help me, so nothing works. So A, B, C, D, E, your answer is E. Nothing works.